sure it's nice and flat. You're gonna use the back end of the knife. Point the blade away from yourself. Use your palm. Just press down on it, just until you hear a crack. So you don't want to like put your full weight and just smash it. So you hear that crack. Should go ahead and open up it a little bit easier to go ahead and peel that off. So that way you don't damage the garlic, especially if you're just trying to get nice sliced garlic. A lot of recipes will ask for like shaved garlic, where you just want to have that very thinly sliced. The reason is you don't want to have that big chunk of garlic to go ahead and bite into. You just want, but you do want it to have that same. Just do slices first, as thin as you can. I mean, you don't have to do them super thin. We're gonna get them all shaved, nice and sliced. That rocking motion again, so that since we're gonna be going so fast, we want to make sure that no fingers are on the board, and that way nothing's worried about getting cut. So I usually hold the front end over here since I have control of the back end, and I'm just gonna kind of rock it back and forth. I'll start again. So I just kind of walk with the knife. And you'll notice that the tip of the knife basically stays in the same spot, but it just kind of turns like this the whole time. That way I'll make sure to get all the area. That way you're not messing up the lining of the blade over here, so that way you're not messing that up. And then, because if you're scraping it like this, you're just making the blade start bowing out that way. And what it's doing is you're dulling out the knife, and you go back to cut again, and it doesn't feel like it was as sharp. So I usually use the back end of the knife, pull it all together, and go over it again. So you can go as fast as you're comfortable with, just making sure that you have complete control of the knife. You'll see I'll clean away from the tip of the blade. That way to make sure I don't want to go this way. Go towards the front of the blade. Just kind of pull it across. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add this into our oil. Cast iron can be super heavy. I'll do this on here. Now we'll go ahead and grab our breads. Just kind of use that to spread it out. Turn down our heat a little bit. We want to make sure it's not cold, and then we're looking for that harder sear to make sure that does go ahead and toast right away. So you can see our hotter edges are going to be on the sides here